Suit is up and running, Matthias. Got some details for me?
Some very delicate machinery has gotten damaged. It needs some work. Can you head over there?
Okay, I'm on it.
Amazing how fast equipment can be damaged out here. Lots of work for you, at least.
I can do that.
That's one complete. We better deal with those animals first. No sense repairing something just to see it destroyed in a rampage. One more done. Wonderful. I hope you can handle a Dominion Valkyrie. Have your chance. Some exceptional work. Make sure those Dominion can't do this again. I'm afraid you got an angry Dominion brute to deal with. Finished. Excellent work. Hope you aren't too battered and bruised. Very well done. I see that I could use your help in another matter. It won't take a second. There's a site I want you to look at. I'm hoping to send a group of Arcanists there. As I feared, this site can't be used unless you can deal with those Wolven. Just noticed some hungry wyverns circling. This is a bad area.
I'll do it.
So very close. Keep going.
The area's clear.
Well done. I have no idea how I would have managed that. Looks like I have another task for you in the area. I came across a passage that describes quite the find. Can you investigate?
Okay, understood.
Discovery of ancient texts is exhilarating. Let's see what we find.
You got it.
Ah yes, find nearby tuning points to crack that vault open.
Understood.
Finished. Excellent work. You need to hurry or the vault will reset.
Okay.
Another mystery revealed. Exciting. So much to study from what we did today. So much. Thank you.